Again, so guys, today we see Cyberpunk 2077 Cyber Engine weeks not working or popping up troubleshooting tips. If you are not a fan of, if you are a fan of Cyberpunk 2077, you may have encountered the issue Cyber Engine tweaks not working or popping. Cyber Engine tweaks is a modeling tool that allows players to customize and enhance their game experience. However, sometimes the mode does not work and intent and the player are left for frustration and confused. One of the common issue with the Cyber Engine tweaks is error message unable to load the Cyber Engine tweaks.asi. This error can occur for the variety of the reason, include the outdated game patches or the modify the game files. If you are experiencing this issue, you not need to be update your game to the latest version or verify your game files to ensure that the file are modified. Another issue that the player have reported is Cyber Engine tweak not working after installation. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including incorrect installation or a conflict with the other mode. If you are experiencing the issue, you may need to reinstall the Cyber tweaks or troubleshoot the conflict with other modes. How to fix the Cyberpunk 2077 Cyber Engine tweaks not working or popping up? Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you to get the Cyber tweaks up and running. Make sure your Cyber Engine tweaks is installed properly. One of the most common reasons why the Cyber Engine tweaks may not be work is due to the improper installation. Make sure you follow the installation instruction carefully and all the files are in the correct location. If you are not sure if we are installed it correctly, then try reinstalling it and see if the issue resolved by the problem. Now the second step, ensure that your game is up to date. Another common reason your Cyberpunk tweaks may not be working is due to an outdated version of the game. Make sure your game is up to date to the latest version. If you are not sure if your game is updated, check the game website for your launcher to see if there are any available update. The third one is check for the conflict mode. If you have another mode installed, then you may be causing conflict with the Cyber Engine tweaks. Try disabling the other mode and see if this problem is solved. If you are not sure that the mode is causing the problem, then try disabling all the modes and enabling them one by one until you find the one causing conflict. The fourth one is run Cyberpunk 2077 as the administration mode. Running the game as an administrative can sometimes solve the issue by the Cyberpunk tweaks not working. Right click on the game executable file and select the run as administrative to see if that solve the problem. Okay. Now the fifth step is delete the Cyberpunk Engine tweaks file. If all the files try deleting the Cyber Engine tweaks configured, this is the file can something we can corrupted and causes issue with this mode. So to delete it, navigate to the Cyber Engine tweaks installation folder and delete it and configure the folder. By the following reason, these troubleshooting tips, you should be able to get the Cyber Engine tweaks working in 2077. Thank you. Maybe all these steps are help you to resolve your problem. Thank you and have a nice day.